Speak fast and
Hello,
clear.
good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about something important. Working for your future. Our future depends on what we do today. If you work hard now, we will have a better life later. This doesn't mean we must always work without rest, but it means we should use our time wisely. Every day is a chance to learn something new or to improve our skill. For example, if you want to be a doctor, a teacher, or a business owner, you need to study, practice, and stay focused. Success doesn't happen in one day, it comes step by step. If you get it easily, you will never reach your goal. Sometimes things may get hard, you may feel tired or even fail, but don't let that stop you. Keep going, your hard work will pay off in the future. Think also your future like a garden. If you plant good seed and take care of them, you will get beautiful flower and fruit. But if you do nothing, you will get nothing. So believe in yourself, learning, and never stop trying. Work for your future because you deserve a life you can be proud of you. Bye bye. Thank you.